What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Man, do I miss my car. I miss like opening my garage and seeing my car here, but hey, it's all right. We're gonna be taking a Lancer today. Damn, she's looking pretty. We're actually going to be taking the headers. We're gonna be taking the headers to be installed. I didn't finish this one. I got it started, but I couldn't finish it, so I'm gonna see if they can finish it. But we're gonna take the headers and a couple other things. We're gonna take it, we're gonna check out the car, see how it is, what have they done. So you guys ready? Let's go get it. Alright guys, so we arrived. The car's already inside. So we also gotta get these. These are for the headers. These are the gaskets or whatever. So I got two. And then you guys already know from this Foreman's, we got the oxygen sensors and then the gaskets for the headers. So we gotta get these. Let's give it to them. Let's check on the car. Also, there's the axle. Yeah. Right, for the car. Alright, so you guys already saw the shifter, the clutch pedal. That's the new axle we got. This is the old one. So we actually got a leaking boot. We gotta fix that, or he gotta fix that. So you guys already know, more money. It's never what you guys think. And I think this is the one we gotta take apart to put it with that one. And that's a CVT, right?
Huh?
CVT?
That's the old CVT,
yeah. We should have built this to withstand at least 600.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so that's the trans. Working on the car right now. So we got everything laid out. Damn, I miss her so much. Then guys, so this is what the car's looking like. The man, these people right here, making the car great again. So you guys see stage 2 clutch, JWT flywheel. So she's gonna put in the trans right now. So this is these are all for the car. You guys already know the E-stop. We got that from Gerson. Putting everything together so the car can have everything. So there's the E-stop, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, I wanted to see this shit clogged up.
It's like a little bit of wiring, but you know, they can solve it. They can take it. So that's what we got. Yeah, I try to do everything myself, but I can't do that. I can't do that. Hell yeah. I think after this should be like at least 3 to the wheel. Just on motor. Or close to it. We're gonna have some fun in the streets. What is that you guys are tightening?
The transmission bolts.
Oh, the trans bolts? Ah, okay, okay.
That shit's in there, bro.
Nice. Oh, it's already like bolted onto the engine?
Yeah.
Oh, it's bolted on already. Nice. What's your guys' next step after this?
After this, I believe we gotta put the this mount right here.
The mount?
On in.
Oh, we gotta put that mount on?
Yeah, we
okay.
gotta push it up.
Oh, that mounts to the trans.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Mount.
Okay. Nice. Damn. You guys did a job. Yeah, so like I told you guys, they changed the motor mounts right now. They trying to measure, see if let's figure something out real quick. But they got that, the trannies in already, so you got bolted up to the motor mounts. And then from there, you just gotta pretty much put all that. Oh yeah, put the axles and then, you know, whatever's left. And you guys already saw the header, so they're gonna have fun with that. I mean, oh, that axis, huh?
Gonna throw the headers on this too, right?
Yeah. Look at that. Access is so much easier. Cause I tried it once and I couldn't. My head won't go through.
I don't know.
Wee, this car is beautiful, man. Like I freaking want it. Like I want it for myself. But yeah, we're leaving the car. You guys already saw, you know. K-band. Oh, this thing is falling. Alright, there we go. So you guys already saw they're gonna put everything back together today. The transmission, they're gonna put the motor mounts so they can bolt it on, and then they're gonna lower the car and just start doing everything else they gotta do. So you guys, an update on the car. You guys already saw the clutch is in, the flywheel is in, the transmission is actually bolted on to the car. We still are missing, we gotta get that reservoir, the 370Z reservoir. We gotta go get that. I called up Z-Tune here in Kissimmee, Florida. I called them up, see if they have it. If they do, cool. If they don't, then yeah, that's gonna be difficult. So we got that. The car it's doing pretty good. It's doing pretty good. We do have to change motor mounts. We went OEM with the front one. We just had to get the rear one. We couldn't find OEM, so we're gonna have to go aftermarket. It's okay because we'll probably go solid mounts from Red Lion. So it's no biggie, whatever. But for now, let's just keep that one. All right, come on, peoples, come on, man, come on, bro. Why's your light on if you're not even gonna turn right? Like for real, bro. Like, man. Okay, wait. Am I going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way. Okay. Ready? Wow. Pop. If only I had my car. Yo, I miss my car so much. Yeah, but nah, these people are like, oh, you know, you got a clean car, man. Like, damn, that's clean, this and that. It's like, this car's gonna be spanking people. We're gonna spank people, guys. We're gonna be spanking people in the freaking highways and stuff, man. It's gonna be crazy. Damn, my radar keeps falling. You know, I'm not rushing them. I just want them to, do a good job. You know, they're good. You know, Randy's cool people. And I just met these people in there. You know, shout out to them because they're really cool. You know, usually you're at a shop and you're trying to get kicked out. Like, oh, you know, you're gonna be back here, or hey, yeah, so this and that, buy it. And they try to kick you out. But nah, they had a full-on conversation with me and this and that. They know about Nissans and their engines, so it's really good. How do you say, customer service or whatever? Man, it is so bright, it's so sunny. But we're back home, guys. It's too sunny. Hold on. Okay, that's much better. But yeah, we're back home. You guys already saw the car. I'm just gonna leave it here. It was just an update to keep you guys updated on what the car, like what's going on with the car and how it's doing and you know where we're at. But I know you guys are excited. I'm excited. I can't wait to get the car on the road. We still don't have it, but hey, we're gonna be kicking ass on the street though. Yeah, so I've been using a little Protege. I would like to be using this one, but now we got the Protege here. So, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna just keep it here. Remember, God is good. God bless you all, and I'm gonna catch you guys later.